Hey guys, Nanny T, Lark, and our handy dandy hairbrush turned our favorite teether here, back for another quick play session. This week has been really hectic. Only this time, the problem has been more up here than with the tiny creatures that live in my house. The week's pretty much gone like this.
Oh, what a day. Okay, gotta plan that video now. Fancy free fun. Fun, fun, fun. Fancy fun, fancy fun. Let's see. Fun, sun, ton, gun, gun. What are you doing? You're not writing another rhyming book right now. Video is for the video. Oh, but man, I really do need to finish off Kayla and the duck. Got to send those picture books out. Man, oh, I know. Okay, Miss Kayla, Miss Duck, Miss Rubber Duck, you can't fly. At least I have the pictures for this finished. Oh, but I don't have the pictures for the Kevin Hart thing. That's due soon. Gosh, I better get on that. Pinky in the brain. What am I doing? Man, I'm hungry. That's a good idea. I could do a channel. Tiny Kitchen feeds Tiny Mouse. I can make a tiny cake. I can make tiny pies. I can make tiny little chicken nuggets. No, it doesn't all have to be tiny. That's ridiculous. I could show how I hide cauliflower in my mac and cheese. Yes. Oh, there's so much I can do. This is so exciting. Wait, don't forget about the other video. Fancy free fun. Come on. You gotta do that video too. There's nothing to do. I'm so tired. What am I gonna do? Can't fly. She's got to get out.
So yeah, as you can see, when the creative juices get flowing, sometimes they really get flowing, and they get all mashed up in your head and become a big old mess. But sometimes you just gotta let the mess happen, because great things can come from it. I'm excited to say that we're planning a new series on this channel called Tiny Kitchen Feeds Tiny Mouse, so be on the lookout for that. But I didn't want to miss our Tuesday play session. Luckily, one of our viewers has asked about a sensory hoop, and I thought, let's just go ahead and show y'all how I made Lark's sensory hoop. Because, look, I cannot stress this enough. Sensory play is so important for your little ones. So come along, let's play!
Sensory Hoop, a wonderful toy for babies from birth and beyond. All you really need is a hula hoop, or a hoop of some type, and then some connectors. I add some classic toys, some kitchen utensils, and wonderful fabric offcuts in various textures like velvet, pleather, canvas, and silk. Making this sensory hoop is as fancy-free as you can get. It's as simple as cutting holes in the fabric, sticking in our zip ties, and attaching it to the hoop. Then go back and attach the toys in the same manner. At the end, make sure you go back and cut your zip ties nice and short for extra safety. And then we're off to play. Now this sensory hoop is best for the little babies, as in newborn to about 6 months. Lark is getting just a bit too old for it now, but she still has a good old time. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to send us your own ideas for fancy free fun in the comments below. And tune in on Tuesday for new play videos.